Like today, I want to show you maybe 3 of my ways of how I make money online while abroad raising kids, and just transitioning from actually from your country and also going to a new country and starting over. And things, or maybe chances are, if you are traveling or maybe if you are going abroad, you don't know a lot of things that going on that place, and sometimes it's so difficult to actually adjust and also to even think about making your own money apart from just working for someone. And I know that, and I really understand and relate to many of us who are traveling abroad or maybe who are coming from their own countries, going to the other countries because of actually looking for money. Luckily, or maybe if you are lucky enough, if you get a nice job, a high paying job, well and good, you can earn as much as you want. But what if you cannot get that job that actually highly pays you? Or maybe what if you are not coming in terms of working? Maybe you are coming because you got married, or maybe you are a student, or you are transitioning into another thing that is not just about working. What will you do if you need extra money and you are in a foreign country, maybe even speaking a different language? Like right now, I'm in Turkey, or maybe I live in Turkey, and most people here actually communicate in Turkish. What do you do to make money online, or maybe to earn your own money? Today, let's focus on 3 things that I have done actually, and they have at least helped me to know you can make even $1 or maybe €1 or £1 online. Now, I won't lie, making money is not as easy as you think, or maybe as people normally say, but also again, it's not as hard and as complicated as people might want to put it, especially if you know the tools, the system, and the workflow. I want to list to you, or maybe I want to tell you 3 types of things that I have done online when I was a foreigner, in even in other foreign countries. Remember, it's not just Turkey that I have lived. I've lived in Dubai, I've lived in Qatar, and I came to live here in Turkey with my family. And right now, I have 3 kids that are actually depending on me in terms of actually not actually just fully providing, but actually as a mom. And you understand that managing kids, family, being a wife, and stuff like that, it can be difficult. Now, without wasting time, what did I do online to make my first dollar? Okay, while abroad, while raising a family, or maybe while raising kids. The first thing is actually selling digital products, and this one is a huge one, a huge opportunities for experts, or maybe for foreigners in a different country. You can be in Turkey, you can be in a different country, you can be in Europe, in America, in Asia, in Qatar, in Dubai, wherever you are. If you can learn how to make a digital product and sell it, chances are you won't work for someone else for that much long time. Okay. Now, what are digital products? Digital products are things that people are actually can use, like they can download. They can be PDFs, they can be ebooks, they can be printables, they can be mini apps. All these are digital products. And if you can learn a skill on how to make the digital products, I'm telling you, this thing is actually lucrative. Now, where can you sell this? You can sell on marketplaces. I normally sell mine on Etsy and also Gumroad, as well as on my blog. But in most cases, I do it on Etsy. And chances are maybe you are living in a country that doesn't support Etsy.com, but good news is you don't just need to sell on Etsy. You can also build your own platform. Maybe you build, or maybe pages, or maybe you build, let's say, TikTok, and you have your own subscribers, and find a problem that people are going through. Maybe a problem, like for instance, if you are into fitness, you know how to talk to people, or maybe your body is good in terms of shape, in terms of what you're eating. You can start sharing and also educating people on that matter, and then you create maybe PDFs, maybe you get planners, you create mini apps that shows how to actually live a balanced, a good life, a fit life, and chances are, if you do it well, you're gonna actually selling to people who are coming to you. And mostly, and I'm surprised that even while I'm talking this, there are people, when I go live, or maybe when I make my videos, some girls normally ask me, what are you using on your skin? What are you using on your hair? What are you using on this and this? What platform are you using to make money? And these are people who actually want to know about things that are happening. Maybe they have this kind of problem. They want you to solve problem. Now, if you can solve that problem, chances are you can still make money solving people's problem. So the first one, like I say, start learning how to make digital products and selling them on marketplaces. That is the first one that I assure you, if you learn, if you know how to make them, chances are you're gonna make money way more than the paid money that you will be working for someone maybe for 40 hours, 80 hours per week. Now let's move on to another two online. It is not a side hustle, but it is something that is done, which is actually doing what? Creating content. And I want to be specific when it comes to actually creating content, because I wish someone could have told me earlier about this. When you are creating content, I know people are looking into things like numbers, and they say that numbers matters. Of course they matter, or maybe the views matters, the clicks matters, but let's be real. When it comes to content creation, I have realized that the topic or maybe the niche is so important. If you do videos about lifestyle, chances are you might get a lot of views, but you might also get little revenue. What I mean is in terms of RPM, in terms of CPM. So if you are focusing on creating content, make sure that your niche is in topics that people are actually, or maybe advertisers want to pay more. Niches like in finance, in fitness, those are among, or maybe in AI, in tech, even if you are not a guru, you can learn how to make them and start sharing your content while you are building your life abroad, or maybe while you are working abroad, you are studying abroad. And chances are, once you reach the monetization threshold, you're going to be monetized and you're going to start earning your revenue or your first dollar online. Okay, now if you have a channel, I give you this chance to actually comment the name of your channel below this video, so that we can also support you as well as support me. Okay, now that is the second thing. Okay guys, now the last thing, maybe the third thing, because I said I want just to mention three things. One of the highest paying ways, especially if you are new in a foreign country, now this is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is selling someone's products. People have a lot of products. Think of Amazon. Amazon has a lot of people who are selling things, and those people, they want people to sell their products, and they're gonna pay them commissions. Think of something like, let's say Amazon, let's say Impact.com, let's say ClickBank. We have Digistore. We just have a lot of products, and also dive into AI affiliate products, okay, or maybe programs. Okay, find the one that you normally use, or maybe one that is easy for you to use to understand, like AliExpress program, affiliate program, or maybe Amazon.com, Amazon Associates, or maybe ClickBank or Digistore, whichever one you choose. Find products. And the best thing, or maybe if you want to make even more money in this section, it is that to niche down, to make sure that the people that, or maybe the things that you want to talk about, let's say if you're a person who loves maybe in terms of actually decoration, or maybe in terms of actually just arrangement, and also maybe you love this aesthetics in terms of actually your kitchen decor or stuff like that, house or design or some sort of that. Find out your audience, people also who also love such things, people who want to buy new stuff, buy new things in their home, and then address, or maybe find these products on the platforms. Let's say Amazon, you take them that have high commissions and start actually promoting those products. Okay, and you don't need to buy these products. Some of these products you just have to create content about it, talk about it, find a video, talk about it, and actually recommend the product, okay, or maybe react about on that product that you want to sell. And when people click on your link and they use that link, chances are if someone makes a sale using that link, or maybe using your special link, you're gonna start earning your first dollar abroad. Isn't that just awesome way of actually making money? Now, these three things that I'm sharing with you, they are just the minimal, or maybe the least thing that I can share with you, because I wanted to make this video very short and not too much long, so that you can think about it, find a skill, find an item that you can sell online. It can be a physical in terms of affiliate products. It can be a digital product. Also, affiliate products, we have digital products like audios, you can sell them, okay, or maybe softwares in terms of actually businesses. Okay, you can sell those ones to other people. And also in terms of like I say, in terms of digital products, in terms of content creation, we have a lot of things that we can learn together, and also that you can make you to start earning your first dollar. The reason why I actually ask you, or maybe the reason why I tell you to actually dive into finding ways to make money abroad, it is that we live in different countries. Like right now, I live in Turkey, and we all know people who are in Turkey will tell you that they are, the country is going through a lot in terms of actually inflation, in terms of actually the dollar. Like I said, Turkish lira is very low in terms of actually when you compare with other currencies like dollars, like pounds. We need money, and life is becoming expensive each and every day. What will you do if you don't have actually extra ways to earn money? You just need to find ways to make your own money. Now, another thing why I encourage you to find, or maybe to learn a skill that will actually help you to make money online, it is in terms of independence. You don't want to keep on asking for someone, give me this money for this, money for this, money for this. It's not a cool thing, okay? Not a good feeling. Now, it's gonna help you actually knowing how to make your own money. It's gonna help you to be independent, and also to live abroad in other countries. You don't just want to stuck in one country. You can actually live in another country if you know how to make your own money, if you know how to actually deal with these things. That freedom is just amazing. To raise your kids, to do other things, isn't just amazing? I know that most of us want that lifestyle. So find a problem and start solving that problem in different ways that I have actually mentioned. I'll see you next in my next videos. It is time for me to eat my food with my kids, and bye bye. See you later. Bye.